too.
Hey, Van, you rocking with the 2025 UGS Top 10 Cypher. Let's get it.
Thanks, Zachary.
Is that perk? What the fuck?
South say. Come on, let's do it. Yeah, nigga getting packs, got racks, so leave me alone. 300 black out right to a dome. Yeah, nigga getting shit on my own. Trap money, this shit ain't from loans. Baby, I had a fuck, I'm gone. I see too much green while rocking the chromes. Yo, slime again, we pop out black truck. They broke, can't get they racks. So about to splat, yo, nigga got gat too. Young niggas stay clutching the 10 million. He a joker with money been too silly. That bitch, she sucking me up in the booth with it. Pop out a cover with a track on the news with it. Yeah, nigga getting packs, got racks, so leave me alone. 300 black out right to a dome. Yeah, nigga getting shit on my own. Trap money, this shit ain't from loans. Baby, I had a fuck, I'm gone. I see too much green while rocking the chromes. Wait.
That shit was hard.
I see too much green while rocking
15-year-old with a grenade launcher. I mean, shit.
in the chromes, nigga. Alright, yo. Hey, yeah, punt me in one more.
Breezo.
Know what you know though? What you know though? Stop that. But you know I ain't doing no photos. And I'm riding commando. I dropped a 10. Like it's a 20. I just dropped your bitch. I just dropped some dick. Drop down on the lid. I don't give a fuck about shit. I just need some purse. Not doing shit. Yeah, I be on that shit. I have withdrawals. Withdraw, back draws. And they can't wear draws. At all. You know that shit at all. I don't do fentanyl at all. I send my shooter on one call. You talking tough, you get picked off. I do this shit like it's softball. 10 hoes lining them up, dog. I got your bitch in that long line. You know what's name to me, though. You know I shoot like a free throw. You know I'm having one Breezo.
I really fuck with this.
You know I'm having like 10 hoes. And I don't give a fuck about the back, though. You know I'm having these racks, though. What's the 10? I just spending that sacks, though. And I ain't buy shit for me, though. Hey, you know how I do for my fam, though. These nigga brother can't buy nothing. Tryna look me, I want that Skyward. How you walking in the store and ain't getting nothing. All these hundreds, something getting it add up. All these hundreds, something getting they stack up. Hey, you know I'm about rats, bro. Hey, you know I can't fuck with you. Why? Cause I heard that you rap, bro. Hey, you know how I get to. 2 guns and they both got extendo. 2 O's, you know I brought both 2. And you know I can't go for that back, though. Hell no. Nigga, hell no. Hell no.
My mama said she miss her old me. Hey. My mama said she wanna old me back. I forgot who I was, but she never forget me. But inside a race to be free, man, nigga, that's filthy. If you going through something, just know that I got your back. If I see the truth, them niggas gon' kill me. Fuck that, I can never let somebody else send me. Fuck that. How you find yourself back in the mix again? Let them leave, believe to be back again. Don't forget the money ain't your only friend. Ain't caught got mixed with the tricks again. 2025, I wanna live again. Babe more sweeter than a pure life. I get mad when I was out like pissing. God damn it, my heart in attention. As I cry when I want attention. In my head tryna fumble with sentence. Find out my baby on the way on Christmas. Do it just same time as my dentist. And the girl sound soft as you can't miss this. KO base money.
How y'all feel right now? I'm seeing a lot of mixed opinions.
You on big fish. They gon' run that shit back like a pick 6.
Hard-headed baby.
Hey, yo, Eli, what the fuck?
My last day on earth. I just hope I die rich. You want my lifestyle? Tell me what you gon' sacrifice for it. Grew up as a quiet kid. Took time for me to talk my shit. Grew up with no money. Took some time for me to look like this.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. I fuck with her.
Time for me to talk my shit. Grew up with no money. Took some time for me to look like this. Dress like this. Put some diamonds on my wrist. I flex on all my old hoes just to show them what they missed. Treat this shit like death. No, put my ops on one big list. When I see them out, I'll pull my Glock and blow a kiss. Big A3. Big.
It's something about her, like, nah, y'all niggas saying try and crack. Y'all mad horny, bro. I'm a business individual, gang. Business focused, business oriented. For me. Like, her energy is good, like, for this rapping shit. I'm telling you, like, I don't know why y'all niggas saying all this weird, horny shit. Y'all niggas is dicked out. Y'all gotta chill. The way she just came on, like, she came on with some good energy, you feel me? She came on ready to go. lot of confidence. You can tell she very confident. You know, good player movements and shit, emotes. I fuck with it. Skinny boy CJ. I don't know who this is, so this a new guy. This a new guy for me. Let's check it out.
Skinny boy, nigga.
Okay.
How did I even get here? Don't wanna make friends cause they weird. Letting off one fart be my main fear.
Hold on.
How did I even get here? Don't wanna make friends cause they weird. Letting off one fart be my main.
What did that nigga just say? Yo, I'm about to get tight. Don't tell me underground niggas finna start using fart and shit bars and toilet bars. Y'all know that's like my biggest pet peeve. He said, about to let out a fart.
How did I even get here? Don't wanna make friends cause they weird. Letting off one fart be my main fear. Sipping on that Drake till my pain clear. When I park late night with my main peer. In LA it don't even snow. And I do wanna fuck with Shawty, but I checked the reviews and it said she a hoe. No cat feel like I'm the realest in the room, and I ain't even make it to the dope. And I ain't talking about the ground, but it need a way.
I'm gonna be honest though, I do be scared when that fart be itching. Cause that bitch be creeping. Like that bitch be creeping. That bitch be creeping, bro. And then it's like, damn, now this motherfucker on the way. Do I stop it? Do I contain it? Do I control it? What do I do? What do I do? I'm just keeping a butt. That's some relatable shit though. But it's still like, damn, I'm not trying to hear that. I don't know. He flowing though. I don't know who this nigga is, but he sound tough.
Keep on my flow. Nigga ran no got head tap, no duck goose. Falling back, I ain't fucking with you. Won't burn no fat, tryna run from the truth. Your bitch should be ugly. I thought that little hoe was your brother. Like a speech impediment, the stick gon' stutter. My bitch too raw, I don't need no rub. If they not, why would I use my fist? In the playoffs, I'm about to shoot the assist. At a daycare, talking to stupid little kids. I remember when I was the same. Snatching off in there, brand new coupe on the move. I'm whipping it big like a slave. Grown that man and your bitch in the school. What you doing? I bet you be checking her grades.
That said he do TikTok, and now he be rapping and shit. Bro, he think tough, bro.
About how I got little niggas as long as the money was made. Bad ass kid, I don't wanna behave.
I think it's shit the best besides K3 so far.
You don't get no bitches, you hang out with guys. Twisters up on me, that's to my surprise. Young nigga from the streets, I'm just in my disguise. Yeah, damn.
I've heard this name, Ecstasy. I've heard this name before, Ecstasy. I think y'all niggas have said them in chat.
Moving presidents, who that is fuck with the way I got this green on. Out of all the niggas, she done play, she call her ex the mean one. I got tats on top of fucking checks, that shit changed my demeanor. In the class I went like low AP shit, went right to my jeweler. It's like flex on flex, like bitch I'm next, I can't see through my cooler. Come and show me wearing pink ain't sweat like bitch I finna do you. I swag out, class and out, session off. Told them niggas sit the fuck down, back them up. Feel like Robin with the rebound now, swagging out. Like Etsy on the top of shit, topping shit like top of charts. I'm on the top and stopping shit. All y'all niggas lame as hell, you lying fucking capping bitch. I see through the glove, I see through the shadow shit. I see all the niggas creeping up, they want my bag and shit. That brand new Fendi bag, swagging shit. Tell them niggas get the fuck back.
I see the vision, I'm not fucking with it though. I see the vision, I'm not fucking with it. Can't.
I'm in the class and I'm clapping shit. Ain't no applause. Why you acting, bitch? Run up applause from my girl, she really bad as shit.
I see the vision though. Alright, Rocket. Let's see what Rocket got. I want to see Benji shit. I'm not gonna lie, nigga look at me like that. Imagine walking down the street. That's who you about to pass. I know why white niggas fear black niggas sometimes. Cause this how some niggas be looking. You can't expect niggas to feel comfortable. Shit.
I made mama mad when I tatted my face. I'm gonna tattoo at my mama though. That's when they close my case. Percocet. pay one back. That's when I turn to an 8. I go broke, stick up gang. I'm finna take his pay.
Nigga said evil Arky. He look like Arky. He do low key. Little bit, tad bit.
Geek up, young nigga, let's have a perk off. How many perks can I take? Try hoes, nigga, don't turn the stove off. How much dough can I make? Percent, nigga, I for running those off. How many pills I just ate? The junkie playing with snow like all life. I serve it to him by the way.
This mix is ass. Damn, bro.
My nigga inside the county jail. He get a nigga with a tray. I was on the fence at recess.
Nigga said black it down. Nah, this mix is ass.
Draco, he make a nigga all on shake. Took out their percent, ain't know they pill was fake. I study rest of my demos, I put on jeans as big. My bro, he live in the kennel, inside the pen, he stay. How about we walk down gang, but shoot it and ran away.
Nigga said PBM clone, we rap nothing alike. YT, okay. He European, right? All right, I know a lot of y'all niggas fuck with this nigga heavy. Let's see how this goes.
Sure, I might pull up 3 baddies, that's a high trick. Gymnastics, yeah, I make the money perfect. Yeah, you know this swag is in my jeans, I'm in practice. Look a flat to Cali, LA shorties like my accent. LA shorties like my accent. Look a flat to Cali, LA shorties like my accent. Rackies in my pocket, money longer than a Jackson. When I stand on stage, women faint, Michael Jackson. If I just said 10 and I'm in thousands, not 100s. Put my phone on D&D and fame, bout some money. Party going up, I'm about to blow just like a trumpet. She found out I'm British, now she talking about some crumpets. Had to tell her you don't want this. Girl, I live a really fast life, you don't want this. Somewhere out in Paris, spending euros on my fast tank. You didn't have to say you had a map, I want asking. Talking about some bags, I get a lot, like I'm parking. Ramadan is new Mercedes Benz, it's a fast tank.
This shit solid. That oh yeah, a little hard too. That's some different shit. Y'all know I like the different shit. That oh yeah, I live hard, bro.
Nigga trying to tour and I so post them. You're still in the DMs, they know me at her apartment. Shut. Model with me, skinny pockets felt like Eric Coleman. Shut. Model with me, skinny pockets felt like Eric Coleman.
Alright. Nigga said you got to give this dude a chance.
How you like your eggs fried or fertilized?
Alright, hold on, my nigga. You just gave me $10 for this bullshit? Yo, Fuzzy4TV, find out if that's a username in the chat. That nigga's on ban list. He's on ban watch, I mean. Mods, get ready. What the fuck is this, gang?
The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized. How you like your eggs fried or fertilized? 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 The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized.
It was early morning, about 9 o'clock. Had a freak last night, made her body rock. Feeling kinda groggy, stomach tossing, turning. She said, was that your belly, or were those birds chirping? I said that I was hungry. She said, baby, me too. Why don't we go out and get us some breakfast, boo? We ain't gotta leave to get no breakfast food, cause I'm a lady tamer and a chef too. So I began to cook, could tell I had a shook.
Nigga, this some boondock shit. Nigga said, is this Keith friends? Stop playing with me, bro. No, my dad was not hanging around these niggas. My dad was not hanging around thug hippies. These niggas are thug hippies. Bro, what is going on, bro? LMFAO, that was me. Joel, chill.
She wasn't ready for the recipe in Hummer's book.
How you like your eggs fried or fertilized?
This nigga look like
How
Bruce.
you like your eggs fried or fertilized?
Bro, these niggas are.
How you like your eggs fried or fertilized? The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized. How you like your eggs fried or fertilized? 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 The way you move your hips, girl, make me hypnotized.
She said, I love the eggs. What did you do to them? The way the smell and taste really got a girl.
I'm clicking off. We're done. Nigga said the other nigga, I'm Dante. Sorry, guys. Holy shit. This shit cool, though? In what way? Cool in what way? What is it cool? Cool to listen to? Cool to laugh at? Imagine this was a school project. Imagine this was your dad. Violet Meyer's mother or fried and fertilized father? Shit, real shit though. Answer that. That's a good ass question. Violet Meyer's mother, fried or fertilized father? Dad, nigga, what? All right. Fried or fertilized father or we need a better. Oh no. Nigga said violence so I can get some. You're out of here, gang. Mods, come on. Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, I be seeing this shit more than the mods. Nigga in chat just said Zaya Wade out of nowhere. Keep her name out your mouth, gang. We're not doing this. I already told y'all it's not that type of parade. All right, who's this? Oh shit, this is pretty fun. I did not know what this nigga looked like. Right, let me see.
Same P, got 100 damn bitches, turn 19. When I'm about to buy my second blick, why the fuck you talk so much when you know you full of shit? I got hoes in the loft, right away in dick. You should pull up, only if I fuck with you, that's it. My life true, man, show straight. Movie and clips, get the guap for my chips. You want new shit, here's a snip. I got 50 for my clip. They blame my G, got some rips. I can whip the bird with this little Uzi like a lift. I don't need to breathe, I just want to be. That's my gift. She don't need to breathe, she just watching me throw the stick. She get back to me when we go like it, I ain't even here. Niggas snakes, bitch snakes. Way more than God that I'm fear. I know why they act so jealous, cause I'm way over my peers.
Y'all fuck with that? I ain't like that. Alright, Benji. Damn, that's how you feeling?
I'm fine. I want a bitch that rock them French tip princess. I'm on a friendship. I want a bitch that come in Coco Gigi. She wanna eat me. I wanna pop the Roxy's, pull up Trish till I get sleepy. I want a bitch that like my pic on IG. She wanna eat me. She suck dick, but she tryna eat my ass. I'm not that freaky.
Hey, yo. Hold on. I'm peeping what he's saying, though. I mean, I'm gonna keep it a buck, though. Wait.
I wanna pop the Roxy's, pull up Trish till I get sleepy. I want a bitch that like my pic on IG. She wanna eat me. She suck dick, but she tryna eat my ass. I'm not that freaky.
Now, hold on. You gotta really hear what he's saying. That makes a lot of sense. Y'all ain't never had a bitch that was trying to eat your ass? I'm gonna be honest. There'll be some weird ass bitches out here on these streets. A lot. I'm talking about, I told y'all the story how there was this one girl we got done fucking, then she smacked my ass. That was the most uncomfortable I've ever been in my life. That shit wasn't it. That wasn't it. That wasn't it at all. I don't know what it is, bro. He dissing his ex? Keep it a buck, bro. Y'all ever got your ass eaten? Adults only. Men.
He don't like how she fuck.
Me, no. Personally, no. That's not my... Any ass play, I don't fuck with that. Stay away from my butt. That's not it. Don't grab my butt. Don't touch my butt. Don't try to lick. Like, the gooch is the lowest we're going here, ladies. Chill. Chill with that ass eating shit. That's not my parade. You freaked out and shit. That's baddie hub type of environments. I'm staying away from that. Now, I be into some shit, but not no ass eating. Don't eat my ass. What the fuck? Or touch my ass or play with my ass. What the fuck? Are you crazy? It's not it, bro. It's not it. Sorry. But to each their own. I know some niggas like fingers in their butt, and that's fine. You know, it's 20. It's the biggest 25, gang. It's only gonna get weirder from here. It's only gonna get weirder and niggas get more open. Let me tell y'all this one story, bro. There was this one nigga, he was the popular kid in the school, you know? Shout out to bro. I almost said his name on accident. We gonna call this nigga, we gonna call him Big D. Pause. But not because he had a big D. Even though I think he did have a big D. You know, rumors get around the school. Basically, right? Big D was always a cool nigga, you know? Here's the popular kid everyone's fucking with, bro. You feel me? Then apparently, niggas found out he like getting his ass eaten. And it kind of threw me off. I'm gonna be honest. I'm like, damn, I wasn't really expecting this for you, gang. You know? I didn't really have this in your life, you know? That shit threw me off. Cause niggas always looked at him as like the cool nigga. But he get his ass in. It's like, damn, bro. You feel me? Is that even for me to judge though? What the fuck? Yo, what was that? Yo! What was that? You didn't hear that scream?
No.
Y'all didn't hear that scream?
No.
You didn't hear that? Ah!
No.
Chat, y'all heard that, right?
It was probably the door.
It was probably the door. Yeah, the door scream.
Yeah. I don't know.
I mean, shit, if we die on live at least we go viral. Can y'all just, like, tell security guard, like, keep his hand on the, trigger?
A fat that bitch ex-BF creepy. My ex-bitch can see the future. Whole time she wanna hate me. Back then they had knocked on 3B, now just get to the paper, huh? I used to rock the same fit, I've been putting that shit on lately, huh? I used to rock.
Nigga in chat said dilate. Max low-key freaky ad, but he a streamer, so he show it at certain times. You're out of here. Kari the Achiever. That sound like a daily sag, nigga. Get him out. See, and I'm gonna eliminate y'all one by one. Y'all not finna come in here flirting with me. I fuck with y'all, bro, but chill. It's not like that, bro. Bros only. We bros only. I like women.
The same bitch, now see every bitch wanna date me, huh? Now I'm just get to the money, right through the battery, bust on my gun, yeah. Now I'm just get to the money, step on the art bitch, kill him for fun, yeah. Nowadays these niggas rap just like me, all of these niggas my son. 556 to the fuck up a white tee, hot shit, tell me who wants some.
This shit hard.
Money, they say that I switched up, talk about how you had bitched up. Got to the money, they wanted me patched up, now I just be on some rich stuff.
5-star, slow down, I fuck with it.
But I can't be on no trickster. 100K, I put that on the off top pack, ain't leaving no switch up.
Benji got a good flow too.
Sit still for real, I'm feeling too glitched out. Going outside, I don't know how they feel. I told her she don't wanna miss out.
I play around with the pussy. Oh no. Maybe if I had better Wi-Fi, this shit could load. What's going on, bro? Yo! I told y'all, bro. So, what the fuck? So, what the fuck? Yeah. So, it was Love Struck. Is she on the game? I'm not gonna lie, that shit's throwing me, bro. Was she on the game? Nigga in chat said Ray Strokes a third. You're crazy, gang. She a streamer, bro. I'm pretty sure she was screaming on the game. Relax. Who had the best verse? I'm gonna keep it a buck. For me, it's Perk, Benji, or K3.
Money, this shit ain't from loans. Baby, I had a fuck, I'm gone. I see too much green while rocking.
Oh, YT shit was hard too.
Yo, slime again, we pop out black.
Perk was doing this shit. Hold on.
Hard-headed baby.
Hey, yo, Eli, what the fuck?
My last day on earth. I just hope I die rich. You want my lifestyle? Tell me what you gon' sacrifice for it. Grew up as a quiet kid, took time for me to talk my shit. Grew up with no money, took some time for me to look like this, dress like this, put some time.
She not hard. She not hard. She not hard. Oh, this nigga too. The fart nigga. Yeah, he is hard. Fuck. What's his name again? Nice guy. Skinny boy CG. Skinny boy CJ, holy shit. And then YT and then Benji. Cool. Shout out to Underground Sound. That's what's up. All right. Next up, we gotta listen to D Savage.